Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade chicken noodle soup, an easy method. First, let's build a flavorful broth. Begin by simmering a whole chicken or bone-in pieces with aromatic vegetables like chopped onions, celery, and carrots. This foundational step is crucial for a rich, savory base. Allow it to cook gently for at least 1 hour, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together beautifully. This simple start ensures a deeply satisfying soup. Once your chicken is tender, carefully remove it from the pot. Shred the meat into bite-sized pieces, setting it aside, and discard the bones. Next, strain your broth through a fine mesh sieve to achieve a clear, golden liquid. This step ensures a smooth texture. Now, bring that beautiful broth back to a gentle simmer and add your preferred egg noodles. They will cook quickly, absorbing all the delicious flavors. With your noodles perfectly cooked, it's time to bring everything together. Return the shredded chicken to the pot, allowing it to warm through with the noodles. Now for the magic. Seasoning. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of your favorite herbs like thyme or parsley. Taste and adjust as needed. This is where you make it truly yours. A little extra love here makes all the difference. Your delicious homemade chicken noodle soup is ready to be enjoyed. Ladle generous portions into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped parsley or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. Enjoy every warm, comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.